Do you engage at all with like CCAT or any of the groups in Connecticut?
Yeah. We went up to the Advanced Manufacturing Lab, and those guys are something else, man. There's some walking on the floor of a big bridge mill was amazing. And we dealt with them there. The other thing I was looking at was 3D scanners for like, it was I think structured light scanning. Is what they had there. And because like I said, you don't want someone to pay for inspection, right? No one wants to pay for inspection. It's not really value added, but it is value added because you can make scrap pretty quick.
Yep.
So, I'm always looking at ways to, make that quick, precise, and give the feedback back to the operators on the floor, and keep the customers' requirements and their expectations of us giving them a quality part up to par.
Yeah. So that light scanning is really super.
Yeah,
interesting.
it was really cool. Just the part that I was really wanted it to do, it just wasn't a fit for it. So
well, keep an eye. Like you said,
but they're
technology is
making
changing every
improvements.
day.
Yeah, they're making improvements. So yeah, I'm with you on that.